We are on an epic Colorado road trip. We have visited the Garden of the Gods, Royal Gorge, Black Canyon of the Gunnison, we boondocked for the first time in Telluride, and so much more. We have experienced ups and downs, but wouldn't trade any of the moments we have shared. We love our life, our adventures, and being free. So join us for our Crested Butte adventure.
If you can imagine, like walking into a painting.
They are getting a bath.
Oh yeah.
Oh, by the way, I did see a bear today too. Okay, so we are on our Colorado road trip. We are in our 40 square foot camper, which we call the rescue wagon, and we have been now traveling for a couple of weeks, and it is time for a reset. That's what we call it. We've got to reset, but we're very sidetracked by all of these animals. So when we reset, we find a campground that has laundry facilities, time to shower. We're gonna get all cleaned out. We're gonna do a bunch of stuff to kind of get us ready for the next leg of our journey. But there's all these animals here. There's donkeys and goats, and it's really sidetracking us, and we're not getting our reset in place. And Coda's really, really excited about a new kind of friend, but nonetheless, we've got to reset. So we're gonna start now.
All right, so one of the first things I like to do is get the laundry done, because get that going. I can shower while the stuff's in the laundry, and then clean clothes, clean sheets, clean me.
Yeah, we got to do some laundry because I have no clean clothes left, none. And not only that, our bed looks terrible because Coda's been up on it. So we're gonna go ahead and get the laundry. They have some laundry facilities here. So we're staying at a KOA in Gunnison, Colorado. And the reason we chose the KOA is because they always have good showers, laundry facility, all of that. You're gonna pay a little more, but it's worth it when it's a reset day. Time to wash some clothes. Out from the back, from under here, so we can clean up. And this is how Coda helps. He holds the fort down. However, he's been cooped up in the car, so I am gonna have to take him for a walk. That's part of resetting as well. And once we get everything out from the camper, I go ahead and I sweep and I wash out all underneath, because it gets pretty nasty when you've been living in it and going down nasty dirt trails that are fun, but it gets pretty dirty. So part of resetting is getting everything out, and it might seem like it takes a long time and it's a big chore, but it really just takes us one evening. We buckle down, get it done, and then we're ready to go again.
So one of the things we do when we reset is we try to clean out everything that's dirty. Basically unload the entire car, get everything kind of picked up, wiped off, put it all back together. Just helps you feel clean, helps you feel back on top of it.
Time to make the bed with clean sheets. So the next thing we're gonna do is get everybody fed. And when I do make extra food on a reset day so that we can have it in the fridge, and I can just heat it up and not have to do as much, depending on where we're at. Laundry is now completed. The car is cleaned out. We have everything cleaned up in the camper. And now it is time for a shower. It is time for us to get clean.
What's we doing, bud?
Are you so happy to get a bath?
We're getting a bath.
To review your coverage, go to cp.org/stay covered and get the information you need.
it is time for us to go ahead and reset Thor and the rescue wagon. They are getting a bath.
So as we said, today is a reset day. So today is a day where we have to do a little work, pay some bills, get caught up on things that you would normally do while you're at home. So got the trusty computer here, so we're gonna do a little work and pay some bills and basically keep life going so we can continue to enjoy this vacation. When you're gone for any amount of time, there's always lots of stuff you have to do. So we're gonna work on that.
We've also got to post some YouTube stuff, so we're gonna get that done when we reset as well.
So to take a little break from our reset, we decided to stop in Crested Butte where they have all the wildflowers and take a little detour hike.
Yep.
And here's what it looks like.
If you can imagine like walking into a painting, that's what this feels like. It's very interesting because you have so many meadows up here. You feel like breaking into The Hills Are Alive with the Sound of Music. And we're at like 10,800 feet?
No, 11,000.
11,000 and change. Let me just show you around here. We were getting hungry and we thought, let's just pop over and whoop up some Rocky Mountain pizza on the side of the road. So I'm gonna show you what we got going on in the Dutch oven here. Oh yeah. We're looking forward to that. I prefer to have them on the leash.
We have officially finished our reset and we are ready to continue on our Colorado adventure. So if you want to see more adventures like this, you can click on the video on the screen, or you can go to our channel and click on one of our playlists, or you can go to our website at www.befreebenson.com.
And there's a lot of skeeters out here, so Skeeter's gonna get waxed so I can be free. And if you found value in this video, go ahead and hit the thumbs up, please. And also, we'd love it if you'd subscribe to our channel.
As always, get out there, have an adventure. I will say that today we did our reset, which seems like it's no big deal, but it just really gave us a whole lot of life and energy.
Exactly.
We stopped off in Crested Butte and took a hike just in the middle of our reset, and we're so surprised by the unexpected. So get out there, experience the unexpected, and be free.
Be free.
Oh, by the way, I did see a bear today too. So let's go ahead and add another sticker to our adventure.